How to fix the error of NVIDIA graphics not found in Device Manager on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are having this issue of graphics not found in Device Manager, here are a few methods to solve it. So first of all, open your Device Manager. First of all, click on Scan for Hardware Settings. After that, go to Actions and click on Add Legacy. Once you have done so, click on Next. Then after again click on Next, and then you have to select Display Adapters. Double click on it and then click on Next. After that go to Microsoft and click on Remote Display Adapter. After that go to Next and then click on Next. This way the installation will start and the issue can be fixed. Next up, click on the drop down menu of your display adapter. Right click on the graphics and then click on Update Drivers. This way you can fix the issue. So that is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.